Easy now, girl. I've got you. Shh, little one, you're safe. Let's get them to the shelter. Hey there, Mama. You're such a good girl. Your babies are looking strong. You're doing a great job. Let's give them some space. It's okay, Mama. Rest now. We've got them.
All right, let's get her inside. Okay, lowering her now. Easy, girl. In you go. There we go. You're doing great, buddy. Just a little more. There we go. All clean now.
Look how curious he is.
He senses their energy.
Let's give them a moment.